327. And we're standing by. Breaker, breaker.
Some of that and see what we get. I'll be back here in a minute. I got something to say, Maine. Is it M-A-I-N or M-A-N-E? Oh, okay. It's always good. You got to control something.
Sounding good, 711. That radio is working well for you. 122, letting you know.
I appreciate that, 122. I'm sitting here scrolling through all your videos on YouTube and watching them. Yeah, Friday night, I had to make the work. My wife got to work at 6 and drove up to Dallas, and I got this Ranger RCI 2980. Got a great deal on it. I paid $300 for it because he met me halfway. But it was still on a 20-mile trip in the rain and traffic. You know, I'm digging it now. I'm really digging it. The first time I keyed it up today, I talked to your neighbor over there, Busy B, man, and yeah, I'm liking it now.
Oh, I got it. I got that on the gate too, 711. You go in there, the channel, it's in there when you was talking to Busy B, so absolutely, it's working well.
I appreciate that, 122, no doubt about it.
Not a problem, 711. It's sounding real good, nice and clear.
Yeah, what you said.
Just like that, Busy B.
I don't know, man. Can't shake the sickness. 3611.
Need some honey.
Sending out away. Probably what I'm going to have to do here.
It's not the honey, it's what you're taking with that honey.
Would you just call me?
I can't repeat it.
915 with the big.
That's funny right there.
8201, Phoenix hears you, bud. They're kind of noisy over here, but we hear you. How about that 153 Cracker Jack?
Pretty darn quiet at the moment. Callie started rolling in and rolled right back out.
Yeah, I noticed that. Hey, radio, 8201,
Yes, 711. That radio sounds much better.
I guess we ain't got no conditions. No conditions out here in West Texas. No conditions in West Texas. 915 on the side.
Oh, you got conditions, 915.
I appreciate the comeback there. Appreciate it, yeah. About 300 miles from the city of El Paso, heading on back that way.
Oh, Roger on that, 915. Well, you're rolling into the state of Maine. So, hey, you got some conditions. 122 Maine, letting you know. Hey, well, we thank you, 915. It's all Mother Nature. Without her, hey, I'd be talking local. And that would mean I'd be talking to that busy bee, and I would be plumb local then if that's all I talked to was him.
Yeah, boy.
Right, that's as far as you went with that.
Especially when she's cooperating.
Trying to get you going, busy bee.
Oh, jeez. I don't know about today. Freaking cleaning the yard up. Whew. Everything's working.
Sun shining, wind's blowing, should be drying out pretty darn good.
It is. I took the loader and drove over the mud pile and squeezed all that water out of it.
Yeah, there you go. Won't be long. I mean, we get weather like this, if rain settles in, well, that could set you back, but this should be drying everything right out for you.
Yeah, I've gone pretty far there in the last week, drying out good.